What's up, guys? NightDemon's here. I actually just made a new YouTube account and what do you call it? A website, a Twitter account, Facebook page, all for this about this new thing I'm doing. What it is pretty much like Forge and screenshots. I forgot to mention that, but it's Forge. It's called ForgingTools.webs.com. I'll put a link in the description for you. If you guys want to be a part of this, just message me across YouTube or other selections, Facebook, Twitter, etc. My Facebook name is Brandon Trinacosta. I'll put a link to that if you want. I'll just put my name up. I won't put a link, but I'm just really tired right now. This is going to be with my friend KSI Fruit Loops and a few other people. I'm not sure about the other people, but I know KSI Fruit Loops will be interested. And I talked to him about this before. He was like, yeah, this is actually sounds interesting. So pretty much that's it. I finally started, and even if he doesn't want to still do it, I'll look for more leaders. All you have to do is be really good at Forge. There's a screenshot division and there's a Forge division. Now I made a website and this is it. Again, ForgingTools.webs.com, and this is apps and photos. I'm in right now. Now this is the home. I've yet to put any photos or videos, and there's a song that plays. It's a kind of delayed song, but still song. Here it is. Stupid droid. Let's go into that's pretty much it, just this. Down here, there's create your free website. It's free. You can upgrade it to premium and advanced, which will get you a lot more stuff to forge with, make a website with. It's really, really cool. If you guys want to add me on Xbox, my gamer tag is XZ19ZX. Just like that. Right there. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to be a leader, I'll test you out. I don't have live after tomorrow, like 6 o'clock Eastern time. But maybe I can get live. Thanks to my friend God's Regret. He's a really, really good forger. Pro Forge Racing is another really, really good Forge clan. Just getting the word about them out, because it is competition. Yeah, but that's where God's Regret is. But just hope you guys stick with us.